Thanks for letting me tag along. Sana hindi ko nasira yung me time mo.
Hindi naman. Game ka naman kasi eh. Akala ko nga hindi po kayo tatagal.
Nag-enjoy ako.
Buti naman. At least hindi po kayo na-bore.
Well, even if we're just running errands, I'm never bored when I'm with you. I guess I'll see you on Monday.